Seeking Alpha, free. Always head to Seeking Alpha before investing in any stock, primarily because the analysis on any individual stock is just so detailed and thorough, and the app is a seamless transition into doing exactly that. The Seeking Alpha app is also a great place to find investing ideas, specifically long ideas. All in all, it's basically a one-stop shop for investing analysis. The only downside is almost anyone can become a contributor, so you have to be careful to not blindly believe everything you read. That said, the good definitely outweighs the bad. 3. Funrise. In the past, only people with enviable wealth could afford to invest in real estate. That's all changed with Funrise, an online real estate company that offers you a way to pool your money together with other investors to buy into real estate. This is known as real estate crowdfunding. It is one of the oldest, since 2012, and largest crowdfunding platform, which you could join with a minimum of $500 to invest. It isn't a get-rich-quick avenue. Instead, it is meant to be a long-term investment. If you have a ROI time horizon of approximately 5 years to put into the deal, Funrise could be right for you. The average investors in the app are in their 30s, and while the median initial investment is $4,500, you can open the starter portfolio for just $500. Funrise has picked up over 130,000 individual investors since its inception in 2012, including close to $4.9 billion in real estate investments throughout the U.S. On behalf of its members, it buys into assets with a high potential to grow in value. They buy areas of major demographic or cultural shifts, understand emerging neighborhood growth, and recognize untapped property potential. That's where the experts come in. If you have zero knowledge about the real estate market, rest assured, you won't be figuring out which individual deals to invest in or even choosing from its many REITs, real estate investment trusts, to put your money into. Depending on which plan you go with, your money will be invested in multiple REITs. Your money, combined with that of other investors, will be put towards potentially dozens of separate properties. Another focus is making major improvements to the property to up the sale price. They put your investment to work on improvements like building new urban housing, renovating rundown apartments, and renting out viable vacant buildings. When the improved properties are sold, you can expect to see returns. There is huge demand for real estate developments like new housing. There are many more homebuyers for a fully renovated home than a rundown fixer-upper, and more renters for new luxury apartments near a metro area than for the previously vacant land. Compared to buying and managing a rental property, they offer advantages, including 1. You will not need to handle any day-to-day responsibilities. Teams of experts manage the properties for you. 2. You will know ahead of time what you're getting into. Each potential project is thoroughly researched, so investors have the info they need to make wise decisions. 3. You'll receive tax benefits. Real estate crowdfunding allows investors to receive certain tax breaks, such as depreciation, that normally apply to owning an investment property. 2. Qapital app. Most people will not be motivated to skip a taxi and take the subway to put the saved money into a savings account. But if they know that subway ride will save them $18, and the slashed fund could be the down payment towards a first home, there's more motivation. Well, this personal finance app works with your banking accounts to help you build savings toward a specific goal that you hope to reach. The company cements itself as a new banking experience that empowers people to magnify their well-being by saving, spending, and investing with their goals in mind. By blending behavior psychology with technology, it provides people with the tools they need to make managing money easier and maybe even enjoyable. The fee to use it ranges from $3 to $12 per month. They offer 1. Automated savings aligned with your personal goals, created to help you save money without thinking about it. 2. Checking account without traditional bank fees for a low balance, overdraft or foreign transaction fees. 3. The Qapital Visa debit card is linked with your checking account so you can save while you spend. As you swipe, Qapital will round up the change and sock it away towards a savings goal. 4. Investing in pre-built portfolios that are ideal for people without experience or any understanding of the market. You'll get personal recommendations based on your risk profile. It will monitor your investment account, reinvest dividends and rebalance your portfolio for you. 5. Budgeting easier by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings on payday. 6. Spending Tracker, a smart money manager that helps you decode your spending habits. Figure out how you spend, and you'll learn where to save. 7. It will help you set savings goals that you want to reach in the near future, and investment targets for long-term goals, taking advantage of compounding and market gains. 1. YouTube.
The number one, 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 number one.
Investing. The app has thousands of creators that do tons of videos about various types of investing. You can learn how 401k plans work, how mutual funds work, how the stock market works, and other make money ways by subscribing here and other related channels. Videos like those can answer a lot of basic questions much faster than other sources. There are many who make guesses about stock market prices and such, but we recommend proceeding with extreme caution when viewing those. In any case, this is a great spot to learn about the basics of investing so you can decide how you want to proceed with it. Also, if you are into trading, check out our free trading signals down below. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment and share.